Title: Bamboo Harvesting and Manufacturing, a billion-dollar industry. Introduction. The bamboo industry has experienced significant growth in recent years, emerging as a billion-dollar industry with a wide range of applications. Bamboo, a fast-growing and versatile plant, holds immense potential for sustainable harvesting and manufacturing practices. This article explores the various aspects of bamboo harvesting and manufacturing, shedding light on the factors that have contributed to its rise as a lucrative industry. 1. Bamboo as a sustainable resource. Bamboo is a highly sustainable resource due to its remarkable growth rate and low environmental impact. It is one of the fastest-growing plants on Earth, with some species capable of reaching maturity in as little as 3 to 5 years. Moreover, bamboo has a unique root system that prevents soil erosion and promotes water conservation. Unlike traditional timber harvesting, bamboo can be harvested selectively, allowing the plant to regenerate and continue growing without the need for replanting. 2. Bamboo harvesting techniques. Bamboo can be harvested using various techniques, depending on the intended use and regional practices. One common method involves cutting mature bamboo culms at the base, leaving the rhizome intact to stimulate regrowth. This technique allows for a sustainable and continuous supply of bamboo. In recent years, advancements in machinery and equipment have streamlined the bamboo harvesting process. Specialized tools such as chainsaws, pruning shears, and pole harvesters have made harvesting more efficient and less labor-intensive. 3. Bamboo manufacturing processes. The versatility of bamboo extends beyond its rapid growth. It is also highly adaptable for manufacturing a wide range of products. Bamboo can be processed into various materials, including bamboo lumber, bamboo veneer, bamboo flooring, bamboo panels, and bamboo pulp for paper production. Bamboo lumber, also known as green wood, is derived from the solid bamboo culms. It possesses impressive strength-to-weight ratio and is commonly used in construction, furniture making, and other structural applications. Bamboo veneer is obtained by slicing bamboo culms into thin strips, which are then pressed onto a backing material. This veneer can be used to create visually appealing surfaces for furniture, cabinetry, and interior design applications. Bamboo flooring has gained popularity as a sustainable alternative to traditional hardwood flooring. It is made by laminating bamboo strips together to form durable and aesthetically pleasing floorboards. Bamboo panels are created by compressing bamboo fibers or strands with an adhesive under high pressure. These panels find application in furniture manufacturing, decorative elements, and architectural design. Bamboo pulp is produced by breaking down bamboo fibers and extracting the cellulose content. This pulp can be used to manufacture paper and paper-based products, offering an eco-friendly alternative to wood-based pulps. 4. Global market and economic impact, 300 words. The bamboo industry has experienced remarkable growth and has become a billion-dollar industry on a global scale. Increasing consumer awareness and demand for sustainable and eco-friendly products have played a significant role in driving this growth. The versatility of bamboo and its applications in diverse sectors, including construction, interior design, furniture, and textiles, has contributed to its economic impact. Countries like China, India, Indonesia, and Vietnam are major players in the bamboo industry, accounting for a significant share of global production. These countries have developed extensive bamboo plantations and manufacturing facilities, creating employment opportunities and driving economic development in rural areas. Furthermore, the export of bamboo products has contributed to foreign exchange earnings for bamboo-producing countries. Bamboo has become an attractive export commodity, with growing demand from international markets, including the United States, Europe, and other Asian countries. 5. Challenges and future prospects. While the bamboo industry holds tremendous potential, it faces various challenges that need to be addressed. 1. Key challenge is the lack of standardized harvesting and manufacturing practices, which can affect the quality and consistency of bamboo products. Establishing industry-wide standards and certifications will be crucial for ensuring product quality and building consumer trust. Another challenge lies in the marketing and promotion of bamboo products. Raising awareness among consumers about the benefits of bamboo and its sustainable attributes is essential for driving demand and expanding market share. In terms of future prospects, the bamboo industry is poised for continued growth. As sustainable and eco-friendly practices gain more prominence, bamboo's popularity is expected to rise further. Technological advancements in bamboo processing, such as the development of efficient machinery and innovative manufacturing techniques, will drive increased productivity and expand the range of bamboo-based products. Conclusion. The bamboo industry has evolved into a billion-dollar industry, offering sustainable solutions for various sectors. Its rapid growth rate, low environmental impact, and versatile applications have contributed to its economic significance. Bamboo harvesting techniques, coupled with advancements in manufacturing processes, have resulted in a diverse range of high-quality bamboo products, including lumber, veneer, flooring, panels, and pulp. The global market for bamboo products continues to expand, driven by increasing consumer demand for eco-friendly alternatives. The industry's economic impact is evident through employment generation, rural development, and foreign exchange earnings for bamboo-producing countries. However, addressing challenges such as standardization and marketing will be crucial for ensuring sustained growth and market penetration. Looking ahead, the bamboo industry holds immense potential for further growth and innovation. With ongoing research, technological advancements, and concerted efforts towards sustainability, the bamboo industry is well positioned to flourish and contribute to a more sustainable and environmentally conscious future.